Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadesh Creative Cooking. Today I have a delicious chicken kebab recipe for you guys. It is summertime, it's time to be outside enjoying the nice weather. It is also a good time to take a break from the kitchen and just throw something on the grill and enjoy the nice and fresh weather. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. I have some boneless chicken thighs that are already clean. I cut them in pieces, not too small. I add some garlic in there, complete seasoning, smoked paprika, sweet and savory dry rub, onion powder, Sriracha sauce, cayenne pepper, black pepper, lemon juice, and plain Greek yogurt. I also add some cilantro, lemon zest,
the great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day
and oil.
You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shining.
Then I give it a good mix and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll just slide them in my metal skewers piece by piece. I really like these metal skewers because you can reuse them. If you guys like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also make some pineapple, red peppers, and onions kebab. Next, it is time to put them in the grill. I brush some barbecue sauce mixed with buffalo sauce over them and let it grill for about 10 minutes each side. Et voila, so yummy. I enjoyed it with some white rice and pineapple, onions, and tomato salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and always be creative in your cooking.